નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Okay, now students, we will continue the chapter number 3, data handling, for the exercise 3.3. In this exercise is the bar graph exercise, bar graph, double graph. It means this exercise is represent on your graph book or graph paper. So now see our first questions. So our first question is, number of children in 6 different classes are given below. Represent the data on a bar graph. It means here is data, it means information is given. And the which information? Children in 6 different classes. So first of all, classes, 5th class, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. This one is total 6th class. Number of children in 5th class, how many children? 135. 6th class, 120 students. 7th class, 95 students. 8th class, 100 students. 9th class, 90 students. And 10th class, 18 students. So this one is our information. And this information we are represent on the bar graph. Okay? And see here some questions is given. Our first question, how would you choose a scale? It means बार ग्राफ, इसमें आपको कोई भी ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना हो तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको स्केल चॉइस करना पड़ेगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्केल? सी दिस. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ अ ग्राफ. हियर इज 0. दिस वन इज अवर x axis and this one is our y axis. Right? So we will discuss or the first videos. So x-axis represents the number and the x-axis represent the name and the y-axis is represent on number. So here is the name, 5th class. This one is the one type of name. It means class name. And this one is the number of children. It means numbers. So this value is represent on y-axis and this value is represent on x-axis. But your first question, how would you choose a scale? Now what do you mean by choose the scale? So dear students, आपको ग्राफ इस टाइप्स का दिया गया होगा, इस तरह से. सेम फॉर हियर. राइट? इस तरह से आपको ग्राफ मिलेगी. इन दोनों को ज्वाइंट करो, यहां से इस तरह से लाइन जाती होगी ऐसे. This line intersect, this line intersect. Okay. Now dear students, in the first one, how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the first box, in between the 4 lines is given in your graph. अब ग्राफ चेक करना तो ये जो फर्स्ट बॉक्स है, इन बिटवीन आपको 4 लाइंस दी गई होगी. Now it means scale. So what do you mean by scale? It means you start 0 to which number first of all? 0 to which number to start first? If many graphs start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So scale is equal to 1. But now your value is big, 135, 120, 95, 100, 80 and 90. So this one is all are is the 5 or zeros value. This means we are first of all start 25. 25 means 0 to 25. How many numbers different? 25. The 25 to next number is also for the 50. Then after 75, then after 100, then after 125, then after 150. Okay. Now then after 175. This one is the difference between all the number is 25, 25. See dear students, 25 to 25 difference means 50, 50 to 25 difference means 75, 75 to difference means 100, 100 difference means 125, in this between 25 difference and in this two between 25 difference. So we will check about this one is the, it means start which numbers to 25. So dear students, our scale is equal to, write down 1 unit is equal to 25 students. 1 unit is equal to 25 students. This one is our scale. So what is your scale? 1 unit is equal to 25 scale, and scale is always represent on the y-axis. So here started to 25 means 1 unit is equal to 25 students. This one is 1 unit, full of the 1 unit. But dear students, here given a lines, it means each line's value is equal to, so here is the difference is 25. And how many total lines? 5 lines. So here is first lines, it means this one is our first line value 5, second line value 10, third line value 15, and the fourth line value is 20, and the last line is value is 25. It means each line's value is equal to how many? 5. Each line's value is equal to 5, right? 0 to first line 5, second line 10, third line 15, fourth line 20, and the last line is 25. सब में इस तरह से ही होगा. Understand first of all, this one is graph. Now we are started our first. It means here is new name, class name, and here is the number of students. It means number of children, right? So here is for first 5th class, 1 leave. Then after 6th class, 1 leave. 7th class, 1 leave. 8th class, 9th class, and the last one is our the 10th class. आप एक एक बॉक्स लीव कर सकते हो. मैंने यहाँ पे लीव नहीं किया है, राइट? आप एक एक बॉक्स लीव कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट इन द 5th क्लास हाउ मेनी? 135. तो स्टार्ट टू ड्रॉ हियर 135, 135, 100. Here is 125. 125 the first line 130 and the second line is 135. तो हमें second line तक जाना है, बाद में हमें इस तरह से नीचे आ जाना है. So this one is our first bar graph. Then after the sixth this means how many? 120. So start to here 120, 120, 120. It means 100. This one is 100 lines. Okay, first line is means 105, second line is means 110, third line 150, and fourth line is means 120. Fourth line is means 120. Fourth line. Okay, so this one is our second bar graph. Same for the 7th in the 95. So the 95 here is started 75, right? This one is 75 lines. First line 80, second line 85, third line 90. It means थर्ड लाइन जहां पे भी आपको इस तरह से इंटरसेक्ट होती हो वहां से आपको इस तरह से ड्रॉ करना है. Understand you know how to draw a bar graph. So this one is our third bar graph. Then after 8th, how many? 100. So start to here 100, and then after down. Same for the 9th. In the 9th class, how many? 90. So start 75 to down. So this one is 90, and the last one is 80, 75 to up. So this one is our bar graph. So this one is our bar graph. Understand? Okay students, जब आप लोग बाद में बार ग्राफ यानी कि अपनी ग्राफ बुक में ग्राफ ड्रॉ करोगे तो आपको इस प्रकार का एक ग्राफ मिलेगा in these questions. So this one is the 5th class represent. This one is your 5th class represent. This one is your 7th class represent. This one is your 7th class. Then after this one is your 8th class. This one is your 9th class, and this one is your 10th class. Okay? जब आप लोग बार ग्राफ ड्रॉ करोगे ग्राफ पेज में तो आपको इस तरह सा एक ग्राफ मिलेगा. किस तरह से बार ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना वो आपको समझ में आ गया. Now to the our two question is given. Which class is the maximum number and minimum number of the children? So here, dear students, check it. Which class the maximum number? 135 means 5th class, and a minimum 10th class. So our first question answer. Here is the first question. Maximum and minimum. Maximum number, which class? 5th class. And minimum 9th class. Why? Sorry, minimum 10th class. Why? Because in 5th class, how many students? 135 students. And the minimum 10th, how many students? 80 students. So our maximum students length 5th class, and our minimum students length in the 10th class. In the 5th class, 135 students, and this one is the maximum. And the minimum is 10th class, 80 students, and this one is the minimum. Okay? So now this one is your first question answer. Same for the second question, and find the ratio of student class 6th and class 8. So ratio find करने के लिए कहा है. Ratio is equal to number of students of class 6th बाय रेशियो फाइंड करना हो तो डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ class 8th. So dear students, in 6th class, how many students in 6th class? 120. And in 8th class, how many students? 100. A 0 0 cut, it means 12 by 10. 12 by 10, it means this one is 6 2 ja and this one is 5 2 ja. It means 6 by 5. Ratio में लिखना हो तो 6, 2 dot and 5. In this 2 dot, it's called, dear students, zem. It means 6 zem 5. So ratio is equal to 6 zem 5. This one is your second question answer. Maximum class 5th, minimum class 10th. This one is your first question answer. This given data to represent the bar graph is this type of the bar graph. This one is the bar graph. Okay, and the scale is equal to 1 unit is equal to 25 students. Why? Because we are start 0 to directly 25 and each line is value is equal to 5. So understand? Okay, now to the next question.
Thank you for joining us.